Now this is your question number 5. What effect does closeness to the sea have on the climate of a places? Answer is cool sea breezes blow over the land close to the sea that helps to drop temperature. Question number 6. Give examples of usefulness of weather forecasts. Answer is weather forecasts are important for farmers as it informs them about forthcoming rains, and government's agencies can make plans in case of a cyclone or a flooding forecast. Now your question number 7. You can see your question number 7 from the book and note down the answer. We will observe that the average temperature of Quetta is lower than Islamabad in summers as well as in winters. Now there are some more questions. Question number 8. What can happen to the climate in places where forests have been cut down? Answer is the places where forests have been cut down, the climate becomes dry and rainfall decreases. Question number 9. How does monsoon affect our climate? Answer is monsoon is a seasonal wind that blows from June to September. It brings rain and it cools down the temperature. Question number 10. Enlist the factor that affects the climate. Answer is here are some factors that affects the climate: rainfall, height or altitude, closeness to the sea, sheltered areas, desert, forests, and the monsoon.